Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to create a new document on Scribus. Here you will see that when you open the Scribus software, the new document window will automatically open. Here the size option, you can choose different sizes for the new document. Here the orientation option, you can choose the orientation for the new document. Here the width and the height option, you can choose the width and the height for the new document. Here the default unit option, you can choose the default unit for the new document. And other options you can choose and edit from. Once you've chosen your desired options for the new document you'll use, click OK. And that's pretty much of it on how to create a new document on Scribus. If you want to watch another video related, or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful, or useful, leave a comment below. And also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.